Welcome to Postly, the Shopify app which helps you sync your orders with Royal Mail's click and drop service. To get started, install the app at apps.shopify.com/click and drop integration. You'll find a link in the video description. Then open the Postly app in your Shopify dashboard. Here you'll find a simple two-step process for syncing your orders with Royal Mail's click and drop service. For the first step, you'll need to create a new integration on Click and Drop itself. If you don't already have an account, you can create one on parcel.royalmail.com. Click Register for a new account or Sign in to log into your existing account. Once you've created your account, select Integrate your online stores from the dashboard. Next, click Add a new integration. Select Click and Drop API from the list of integration options. Be sure to select Click and Drop API, not the Shopify or Click and Drop desktop options. You can name the integration whatever you like, but for now let's leave the checkboxes empty and click Save. Now click your newly created integration to open it. You'll need to click Update and Connect to activate your connection. Now open the integration again to copy your API key. Once copied, you'll need to go back to the Postly app in Shopify, enter the API key in the first text field and hit Save. A green success message will tell you that your API key has been successfully updated. To complete the second step, check your desired settings and confirm them by clicking Save Changes. Great! Postly is all set up to sync your Shopify orders with Royal Mail's click and drop service. To check that orders are syncing properly, we can place an order through our storefront. Let's buy Ed Sheeran a new pair of glasses. Lovely. Now we want to go back to the click and drop dashboard to see if the new order has been pulled through. From the dashboard, scroll down and select New Orders. In our case, we can see Ed Sheeran's glasses order in the top row. If you click into the order, you can apply postage by your preferred Royal Mail service. If you choose a tracked option, the tracking number will be sent through to Shopify once the order has been marked as dispatched. This tracking number can also optionally be sent to your Shopify customer, allowing them to track the status of their delivery. Here we'll complete the payment for postage off-screen. When payment has been completed, the postage label will automatically be downloaded to your computer. You can then click Return to Orders. Remove the filter from the Orders table to include your order to which you have just applied postage. Once you have dispatched your order, select Mark as dispatched. If you selected the option to mark dispatched orders as fulfilled on the Postly app, this will be automatically synced through to Shopify, where the order will be marked as fulfilled. We can verify this by heading to our Shopify orders page and checking the relevant order. As you can see, Ed Sheeran's glasses order has been marked as fulfilled. In cases where tracked delivery was selected, the tracking number can be seen by clicking the order. Here's an example of an order with a tracking number. If you selected the option to notify customer of dispatch in the Postly app, the customer will be sent an email with this tracking number too. So that's it. Install Postly Click and Drop Sync at apps.shopify.com/click and drop integration today. You can find the link in the video description. And do let us know if there are any additional features you need to improve your workflow. We are always looking for feedback to improve the app. Just comment on the video or email us at hello@wowfarout.com.